We're going to go back and we're going to learn some other tags that we can do with HTML. The first part that we're going to do is we're going to learn about something called span tags. Now, span tags are tags that can be placed inside what are called either inline or block level elements. Block level elements are tags like the paragraph tag, the heading tags. Those are block level, meaning that other tags associated next to them will be pushed down below them. Inline tags like span tags or anchor tags will flow within the content that you place them in. So they do not affect the actual layout of the actual code itself or content. It makes it very easy to see when you have an anchor tag here in the middle of a paragraph tag, and the content just continues to flow until it fills the space. Whereas if I were to put a block level element inside my paragraph tag, so if I made this an H2 and save that and refresh my page, please have a look as a block level element so it pushes the next piece of content around to the next line. So let's go ahead and add a span tag to one of our paragraphs here and see what that does. So span, and I'm going to close it around here at the end of the span and save that. Now let's go take a look at our page. Nothing changed. And the reason, again, that nothing changed is span tag is used for grouping types of content that you want to later possibly style down the road using CSS. And we'll get to CSS a little bit later in other videos. But right now, you can use span tags to kind of like order and organize your content if you would like. And again, so span tags are inline tags and not block level tags.